Good afternoon, this is Myra Evans, Financial Department.
Hello, Myra. This is Rody Alvarez. I'm new to the company. I'm a junior marketing assistant and I'm in room 278.
Oh, hi Roddy, nice to speak to you. How can I help you?
I understand I have to fill in some forms because I'm a new employee.
Yeah, that's correct. I'll send you all the forms that our department has for you. But that's not all.
Oh, what do you mean?
You will also need to call the personnel department. They have different forms to fill in.
Oh, I see. Who do I call in personnel?
Dial 2025. That's Joel Bigelow. He's the assistant personnel manager. He knows what to send you.
Oh, thank you, Myra. Hope to meet you soon.
I'll probably see you at lunchtime. Bye for now.
Bye.